Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and this is the attic of one of my dollhouses. I haven't shown this attic in a long time, and the attic has two separate areas. One of them is this area that you see here. It's a big mess, and this is the thrift store setting that I had created a while back. But what I want to do is I want to combine both of them into just one creation, which would be an entire town thrift shop. So I'm going to combine all of these with these, and I'm even going to put prices on the items, just like if it was a regular thrift store or real thrift store. But before I do that, I want you to look at the items up close. This is Queen Anne's dress here. And I have several other items that belong to her. Let's see if I see them. I don't see them now. Oh, there's a chair back there. This chair belongs to Queen Anne. That chair came with that dress. Now there are other items that I just cramped up in here because I didn't have any space for them. And they're all antiques. So I want to fix this up and bring it back to you. There's a bed there, and there's also a piano back there that you can't see. So you see what I'm saying? Everything is just out of place, cramped up. It's a mess, and I will bring it back to you shortly. Now here we have a sewing machine. We have a display box with a lot of miscellaneous little items, and I am going to change the background. Those shelving units that you see there, this one is a jewelry box, but I'm going to change all that up because I want to make the most out of the small space that I have in there. So stay tuned for the new town thrift store in the attic. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.